Oh, nice.
No.
That's going on the blooper.
No!
That sound's going in the bloopers too. Now sway back and forth. Gosh, beautiful. All those snorts.
No. That's not fair. No!
Okay, ready? Okay. Sit up straight. Okay, be smiley-ish. Okay, not that smiley. That's scary.
I kind of messed up, but oh well.
You suck at life.
I know.
Okay, one more time, just in case. Hang on, Jessica. I have to make sure
You're putting this in the bloopers you put in.
No, I'm not.
You're putting my snort, you're putting this.
Okay, wait. My hair.
Too bad.
Jessica, can you put it back? Should I just lean back? Lean back. Lean back. Okay,
Lean back.
Can I see it real fast? Okay. Don't move it. Don't move the camera now. Okay, don't move the camera. Okay. You
Wait.
moved the camera. You messed it up. It went over the thing. Jay, you distract me when you do that.
Flush.
Oh my gosh, I'm falling. Missy, your turn.
Society.
Okay, what else?
That's all you have.
Scheiße.
Let me go down.
Okay, it's recording now. Don't flip off the camera.
You learn the word. I'm scratching.
Okay, hang on.
Jeffrey, don't. Can you do it seriously?
This is serious.
Do it
I have to
again.
emphasize it.
Okay, just do it nicely, please. You look creepy. You look like a creepy clown. Jeffrey.
You said do it nicely.
I don't smile the whole time. Again.
You're mean.
Okay, ready?
I'm gonna frown.
Go.
It's falling.
Oh,
I'm
put it on
I'm a
so
rebel.
it doesn't fall.
I'm a rebel.
You're not a rebel. Jeffrey! Jeffrey! Oh my god. This. Oh, you have to stare at the camera. Okay, now stare.
Stare.
Just, no, sit back. Sit.
Oh.
Stop smiling. Pick up bomb naked. Ew!
That is disgusting.
Okay, it's good. Now get up. Wait, sit up.
Ouch, my
Camera. Wait, put
Who
your
am I?
hat on.
I'm
Put that
Jessica.
on. No, you're crinkling my hat, Vincent. I've had this for years. Okay.
Get my good side.
Okay. Sit up straight now.
Rewind!
I did.
Bad cameraman. Blondes.
Hoping I could learn about what a bit out. Again. Go. So in this very strange world, hoping I could learn about what is a bit bout.
She has bad grammar.
I know. In this very strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about what is true and fake.
Did I get it?
Yes. This is law, not pa pa pa. Okay, sit up more. There.
Viv, it's funny.
Fine, you can do that.
Wait, my face isn't serious. Viv, you're making me... Stop! Viv! I'm good at this, but you're making it hard.
Okay, ready? Oh, wait, not yet.
You're not putting that in
Okay.
there.
Okay, go.
What?
Okay. Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
You're such a baby. Ew. Ow! Mom's trying to sleep. Oh, God. You better not touch me now. Oh, for real. Where are you wiping that? What did you break? Home skillet?
Actually, the chair.
Whatever. That's fine.
It has to be symmetrical.